Good morning, heroes. In today's challenge, I'm going to give you a quick 3-second formula that can completely change someone's mood. I was at a restaurant with my family one day, and from the moment we got to the restaurant, the waiter had like a chip on her shoulder. She was rude to us. She didn't bring us water. She would just like walk past our table. For some reason, she had some tension with our table, and I was about to go complain to the manager. And I don't know what this woman was going through, but we didn't want to be in her section. And my cousin gets there. She got there a little bit late. And as soon as she walks in, the waitress was just finally bringing us water. And she looked down at the waitress's shoes and she said, "Ooh, girl, I love those shoes. They look so good on you. Where'd you get them?" And oh my God, you should have seen how this waitress lit up. I mean, she just started bursting with joy to talking about her shoes, and she went into the backstory of how she found them and her philosophy when she picks shoes and the thought that goes into her fashion. Like her and my cousin kind of vibed back and forth for a little bit, and then she left. And then me and my mom and everyone else were looking around like, what just happened? Like, that was a completely different person. And then she comes back to the table with a bowl of guacamole and some appetizers. Like, hey, you know what? This is on the house. And then like we had a great meal, and then after the meal she bring us the check, and she took off like half the check with discounts. And we're like, what happened? This was a completely different person from the person we had when we first got here. And we were literally about to go get this girl fired. What the hell happened? And my cousin was like, oh, it's this thing I do. It's called SEC. Smile, eye contact, compliment. She's like, compliments are the easiest way to acknowledge people. People just want to be acknowledged. We go throughout the day just like wanting to feel validated. And like when you validate someone, when you compliment them, like you validate the decision they made, the choice they decided to on what outfit to put on. Like you make them feel good. They feel significant in that moment. And she was like, she said, it just takes a SEC, and it completely changed the dynamic with that person. Like not just in that moment, but for the rest of the day. Like you infuse them with joy for the rest of the day. And I thought that was so powerful. And so that same day I went to Trader Joe's and I did the same thing. I was in line at the checkout line, and I noticed, people, they don't really pay attention to the person checking out your groceries. And so this person was just kind of like had a very low spirit, and like everyone's just kind of ignoring them, just paying with their card and walking out and leaving. And I get up to the register, and I noticed their name, Barbara. I was like, hey Barbara, look at those eyeglasses. I love how stylish they are. She had like these little funky glasses on, and she lit up. I mean, she just went into the whole thing about why she chooses the type of glasses she chooses. She loves these, and she found them on vacation one year, and like it says a lot about her personality. And we just sat there and chatted for like 5 minutes while she was ringing up the groceries. And then as I left, I heard her give a compliment to the guy behind me. And it literally created this domino effect. Like I infused her with a little joy, and then all of a sudden her mood uplifted, and then she passed it on. And it created this ripple effect of joy that probably permeated all throughout the rest of the day. You have no idea the source of joy that you could be from one simple thing. Smile, eye contact, and give someone a compliment. You'd be so surprised at how it changes the dynamic of your situation and for the rest of the day. So that's your challenge for today. Your challenge is to give someone a compliment, whether you're in the store, in the Starbucks line, in the elevator, walking past somebody on the street. If you see something, say something. You see something you like, say something. You see they got some nice shoes, they got a nice outfit, they did something nice that you want to acknowledge, say something. If you see something, say something today. And that's your challenge. So if you accept this challenge today, when you set your intentions for spread joy inside the Morning Hero app, just go ahead and compliment someone and infuse somebody with joy today. Let's go, hero. We got work to do.